आपको बता दें कि लगातार बढ़ते रोड रेज के मामले चिंता का सबब बन रहे हैं। भारत में कई राज्यों के साथ साथ आईटी सिटी बेंगलुरु में रोड रेज के कई मामले सामने आए हैं। कार का पीछा करना, गालियां देना, मारपीट करना, ऐसे तमाम मामले सामने आने के बाद लोग अब मेट्रो सिटी में भी खुद को सुरक्षित महसूस नहीं कर रहे हैं। रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक इस साल करीब 21 मामले दर्ज किए गए। देखिए रिपोर्ट।
These scenes have become a common sight in Bengaluru. Day after day, the number of cases of road rage has been on an alarming rise in the IT capital. Shocking as it is, many of the cases have ended up in grievous assault and some even in murder. As per Bengaluru police, a total of 21 cases of road rage have been registered this year alone. However, with road rage cases not sparing anyone, it brings us to the question of why there is so much aggression and anger on the roads.
Due to various factors, due to some underlying health issues, mental health issues, or due to peer influences or substance use, or they are themselves in a state of stress because of some preceding factors at home, or they have to meet an emergency at office. And these kind of people actually exhibit some sort of road rage related issues like persistent honking, tailgating, rash driving, getting into fights with other passengers.
Bengaluru police is now increasing the legal action against offenders and will also be opening rowdy sheets against all those indulged in acts of road rage.
That is a fact that in past couple of months the cases have gone little up, and what we are going to suggest to the people that they should not be in a tearing hurry all the time, and they should maintain a little bit cool in such situations, and they should panic unnecessarily. Police is always there, our traffic police is there to help them.
Bengaluru's rapid development and increase in population has certainly put more burden on the roads, increasing conflicts, arguments and accidents. The pressure to reach places on time in the inching traffic has led to drivers losing their patience on the road and turning aggressive.
Starting today, let's all take a pledge that we are going to make the roads of Bengaluru safer for all of us to drive on. A little bit of more patience during that inching traffic, avoiding aggressive arguments possibly, and following the traffic rules could go a long way in ensuring cases of road rage come down. With that, it is a wrap on this special story on Mirror Now. With me, Neha Hibale, signing off with my video journalist Pradeep from